Happy Mother's Day. I hope you're enjoying your Mother's Day weekend. I hope you're able to see your family, Zoom with them, do whatever we do in this new weird Corona time today. My kids are doing stuff with their family, and so I'm finishing up a project for my granddaughter. So I made her a 6x8 album for her birthday. I'm going to explain to you what I did with it and the projects I used, but I'm going to turn the camera around so that you could see the book better, because I tried to flip through it and found it was very glary. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the video around, or turn the camera around so you could see the book. Okay? To decorate the front, I used our transfer vinyl. We have a variety of different colors. On the balloon and on the cupcake, I used 2 layers. I decorated this side, and I adhered it with our Cricut Easy Press that you can get as a Hostess, but you can use an iron too. I used the Celebrate Today paper pack, which has a lot of bright colors, and it has papers that are that, as you can see, are blues and greens, as well as yellows, oranges, and reds, and all of the bright patterned papers or colors in one pattern with the florals. The taco cart, the lettering is from one of our alphabet stamp sets, which is nice because then you can create your own title if you don't have a stamp. The page protectors are 6x8. You can get one them that comes where you slide one paper in, or two photos, or 4 little pictures. I put tags there so that my granddaughter can put the names of her friends that were in those pictures. Again, I used the double slide, just slide your pages in, the pictures in when I didn't. Here what I did is I used words to stamp tone on tone background to create a pattern paper.